In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a PS5 loading screen being stuck on Path of Exile 2. There's a couple of different methods to fix it for the PlayStation 5, so try not to skip them. The first thing you want to do is restart the game multiple times. You want to close PoE2, press the PlayStation button, highlight the game, press options and click close game, relaunch and try reloading the character or zone. Try about 1 to 5 times if needed, and wait 45 seconds on the loading screen before starting. The next thing you can do, from the main menu, go to server selection and try a different server region. If you're in the US, maybe try EU or Asia, and then try to load the character or zone once again. The next thing you can do, try using split screen co-op with a new character. So use two PS5 controllers, create a new character, start split screen with the new character as player 1, and load the stuck character as player 2 and travel to a new zone together. Method number 4, load a different character first. So from the character selection, load a different character, play briefly, exit to character selection screen, and select the stuck character and try it loading once again. Method number 5, wait for instance reset. So close the game, wait 30 plus minutes, and relaunch the game once again. Method number 6, if nothing else is working, turn off the PS5, not rest mode, but hold the power button for 2 beeps or 7 seconds to enter safe mode. Connect a controller via USB, select clear cache and rebuild database under the clear system and software caches. If it still isn't working, in safe mode, select the rebuild database, wait for completion, then restart and launch the PoE2. And if all else fails, go into settings, storage, games and apps, select PoE2 and delete it, and reinstall the game from the PlayStation Store and reinstall it. And that should fix the issue. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Have a nice day.